Hi, this is an update of my previous video curriculum. The main novelty is that I recently got a position of full professor in theoretical physics of matter, namely of condensed matter physics at the University of Padua. This position will be effective from, I guess, January 2021, and I truly hope that this position, that is quite prestigious, at least for me, could help me to get more students and more fundings for my research activities, which are, as you know, theoretical ones devoted to Bose-Einstein condensation, superfluidity, and superconductivity, but in a strong connection with experimentalists. Thanks a lot for watching.